Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. First news is the beta version of Decentraland's desktop client for Windows has arrived. You can get involved and help test its performance improvements in preparation for a more complete launch in the coming months. Second news today about Metaverse altcoin Decentraland, MANA, launches world's biggest virtual fashion show. Virtual gaming marketplace Decentraland, MANA, is set to host the first ever Metaverse Fashion Week, MVFW, on its platform. Decentraland will host 4 days of virtual runway shows to exhibit artificial if it occurs at the bottom of the bear run, and bearish at the top of a bull run. Considering how ENG has lost 75% of its value, the recent increase in transactions worth $100,000 or more from 6 to 40 reveals an optimistic outlook for ENG coin. While things are looking up for ENG, market participants need to exercise caution as a pullback may be around the corner. Moreover, the uncertainty around Bitcoin could lead to a suboptimal outlook for ENG coin. Perhaps the most interesting metric is the supply of ENG held on exchanges. This index can be used to determine the potential sell-side pressure for an asset. For ENG coin, the holdings of ENG have increased from 403 million to 417 million. This net 14 million uptick in ENG entering centralized exchange wallets indicates that these investors might sell in case of a flash crash, compounding the sell-side pressure and causing more losses. Therefore, market participants need to exercise caution when investing in ENG coin. And second news about Metaverse Fashion Week, 7 Big, losing nearly 50% of its value from its record high of $44.70. Smart contract platform Phantom, FTM, has lost over 60% of its value from its high of $3.48 in October. As for decentralized finance, DeFi, payment network Terra, Luna, it is trading at $87.81, down almost 18% from its all-time high of $103.60. Looking at Bitcoin, the crypto strategist predicts a short-term bounce for BTC above $40,000 before the top crypto resumes its downtrend. Weekly close awful on BTC and that then looking like any early week strength up to $42,000 is probably a short back to range lows again, in my opinion. This drew a parallel between the current market action and Bitcoin's role as sovereign money in a world heavily impacted by war and sanctions. According to the crypto exchange Bitfinex, the war in Ukraine could prove to be the first great test case for Bitcoin. At 1550 UTC on Tuesday, BTC stood at United States dollars 43,639, up 7% for the day and almost 18% for the week, after yesterday breaking through the United States dollars 40,000 mark in a strong way. The strong bullish action led to a flurry of leveraged short BTC positions being liquidated in the market. According to data from CoinGlass, liquidations reached a peak during the 12-hour period from noon to midnight on Monday, when United States dollars 119 meters in BTC short positions were liquidated, as the price surged well above the United States dollars 40,000 level. According to the crypto research and investment firm CoinShares, digital asset investment products saw inflows of United States dollars 36 meters last week, despite the tensions in Ukraine, which turned into a full-scale war on Thursday. Out of this total, United States dollars 17 meters were added to Bitcoin investment products, marking its 5th consecutive week of inflows, the firm wrote. It's worth noting that the inflows were smaller than a week ago, when United States dollars 109 meters flowed into digital asset investment products in total, and United States dollars 89 meters of those went to Bitcoin-backed products. Commenting on Bitcoin's current setup from a technical analysis standpoint, Hong Kong-based crypto financial services firm Babel Finance said in its latest weekly report that the United States dollars 40,000 mark will be a watershed for Bitcoin, and that it could indicate further bullishness in the near term. In the short term, United States dollars 40,000 will become a watershed. That is to say, more traders may be mobilized if the price can return to above United States dollars 40,000, the firm said in its report, which was published just before BTC broke through the key level. Meanwhile, others focused on how the latest gains for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market have come at a time when stocks have seen mixed performance, which they said could point to a decoupling of the two asset classes. We have seen crypto be correlated closely to the US stock market for months, but Bitcoin is showing signs of decoupling from this correlation in the short-term market, Satirio, an analyst at the digital asset broker Global Block, said in emailed comments. He added that the top cryptocurrency is likely being fueled by the narrative of being a permissionless and censorship-resistant way of transferring value, and said it is fascinating that it has even outperformed the traditional safe haven gold. A similar sentiment was also shared by Mikkel Morge, executive director and risk management at crypto hedge fund ARK36, who said a potential decoupling from risk assets is taking place, and that Bitcoin is gaining prominence as censorship-resistant money. But we, therefore, seeing the beginnings of a wider acceptance of Bitcoin as a hedge not only for investors, but also for ordinary citizens, Morge said, before adding, "We will know for sure on the other side of this crisis, but we can already say that we're currently witnessing historical power shifts taking place in real time, and crypto is at the very center of the raging storm." The same view was also echoed by the Bitfinex trading team, which said in a comment shared with cryptonews.com that Bitcoin's unique properties are now finally getting more attention. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2020.